Hello, my healthy family. I hope you all are doing well and you are keeping safe. Hello, my family, my beautiful people. Today I am dancing. This is one of my best exercises to do. I love to dance and I also love to go walking. So sometimes I usually don't even dress up to say I want to exercise at home. I can just be casually doing my thing, and when I hear a nice song that I love so much, I just stop and start to dance, and that is what is happening here. And I have been dancing for the past 20 to 25 minutes now, and it's a good form of exercise for me. It's good for me, it's good for the baby. It's a good form of movement for us. I'm not doing anything too serious or too strenuous, but then we are moving. So I'm just showing you this video so you can know that yes, you can actually do some light exercises at home. You don't even have to dress up for the exercise. You can wear your casuals and you are good to go. So this is me and baby enjoying ourselves to one of our best musics, and it's been going so well. I'm so glad that this dance is happening today. This is like a regular thing. It happens almost every day. We dance a lot at home and we really do enjoy it. So I wish you can get up now and join me and let's move our body together. I bring you good news. My midwife sent me some link to download an app for pregnancy updates, articles and everything. So one of the apps are called Emma's Diary. So I downloaded this app, not having anything in mind, and then started to read updates and see pictures and videos pertaining pregnancy journey, breastfeeding, how labor, how to give birth, everything pertaining pregnancy in quotes. So I was so happy to have that app on my phone, and then I was able to read a lot through this app. And then all of a sudden I saw something pop up in the app, like what's this? They gave me free gifts offers, like free gifts, you guys. They gave me this free gift. I'm like, oh wow, that's really cool, coming from Nigeria, where I come from. When you are pregnant, oh boy, now you're on your own. Nobody sends you which government is assisting you or which app is giving you free gifts, or you're just typically on your own. So I looked up on the free gift. I said, okay, there's nothing wrong in having a gift, for myself and for my baby. So I decided to go grab this gift from the store where I was meant to pick it up. So on getting there, I got these gifts. Oh my god, there are a lot, you guys. Look at them. I don't know if Emma's Diary would one day somehow watch this video. I just want to say a very big thank you. You guys are doing well. Please keep doing what you do. So I'm saying a very big thank you to Emma's Diary. So this is pack 1. Can you see that? This is 1, and then this is 2. This is pack 2. This is 2, and then this is pack 3. So I've got this now for some time. I've been longing to open them all up, but I just said to myself, my healthy family are here, so why would I not want to open this up with you guys? So I want to open this all up now with you guys here, live and direct. You understand? So let's go on and open the first one, and let's see everything that is inside. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so this is unboxing of the pack one. Wow, there's a lot in there. What is this? Your go-to freshness trick. Free sample and coupon inside. Okay, this is always. We've got always in there. Can you see that, guys? Always, you know, to freshen down there, you know, and it's necessary as a healthy lifestyle person. We also have some nutritional care for your pregnancy stage. You know, these are like coupons, flyers, notes, everything. So these are like coupons, discount code and everything to purchase more things if you would like. And in here we've got pseudo cream. Oh, this looks so good, you know, pseudo cream for my baby. You know, it will help prevent nappy rashes, you know, for sensitive skin, protect and care for my baby's delicate skin. This is a really good product. I know about pseudo cream. Thank you so much. I love this. And in here we've also got pregnant care. Pregnant care medication, you know, for vitamins and minerals, and you know, so it's very good. It contains iron, zinc, vitamin D, B12, folic acid, and that's it. And it's really very good, you know. I like this. Thank you very much. We've got we've got some cream, stretch mark cream and stretch mark oil, but I'm not suffering from any stretch mark anyway from this pregnancy, so this can be kept handy just in case. You never know. This is so good. What is this? One free box for you. Oh my god, more free gifts. I love this. This is Grace. Grace is like natural nuts and everything. Thank you very much. I'm gonna go grab this as well. Lots of gifts, like lots of gifts. Wow. Thank you very much, Emma's Diary. So let's go in straight to pack number 2. I think this is pack number 2. Yeah, this is pack number 2. So let's go in and open that up right away. Brilliant. So in pack number 2, voila, we've got Pampers. Pampers for my baby. Thank you so very much. I really do appreciate this. Thank you. It's Pampers for new baby. Wow. Thank you. And it is the #1 UK's choice. Thank you so much. I love this so much. And in here we also have, what's this? Tummy rub butter. Okay, butter to apply. Sorry, let me keep this here so you can see the video very well. We have tummy rub butter, you know, cream for the tummy, for stretch mark again, and it has omega. It's so rich in omega. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate this. Wow, a lot of good content in there, you know. Let's look at this. What's this? Breast milk storage bag. Oh, for freezing and storing breast milk. This is so good. Comes handy to store breast milk, you know, for freezing and, you know, storing breast milk. Like if you want to pump breast milk out, like you're not available, you're going out, and then you want to leave your baby with mom or the father or something, so you drop breast milk for them so they can sort themselves out, you know, and then you waka, you go your way. And this is breast pad. Oh yeah, so because you will be breastfeeding most of the time, when you're breastfeeding on this pad, according to what I've read and the videos I've seen, this is my first pregnancy experience, so I don't know. So they said when you're breastfeeding on this side, there is tendency that this part of the other part of the breast would be leaking milk. So this breast pad will help you, you know, soak it all up. This is very handy again. Thank you very much. And we've got more coupons, more flyers, you know, wipes. This is wipes. This is wipes, ultra wipes, water wipes. This is good. These are all samples. These are all samples for products that every mom to be would like to purchase. So most of their flyers and discount code on them, just in case you want to buy more, you get them cheaper, you know. And of course you would buy more, you cannot run away from it. So what's this? Pets, not for me anyway. So yeah, more flyers with discount code and coupons. Really handy and very brilliant. I like that as well. So without no wasting time, let's go into the last pack, which is the pack 3 from Emma's Diary, and let's see what's in there. Okay, in here we've got milk teeth, age appropriate for that level. Okay, this is toothpaste, but for kids, not for newborn, you know. So as your baby grows up, you'll start using this. This will come handy then. Toothpaste. Oh, another pack of pseudo cream. Another pack of pseudo cream. Brilliant. Okay, another pack of the stretch mark cream and oil. There's the second pack. Brilliant. Of course, more flyers with discount code and special offers and what's it called, coupons. Interesting. I'll have to take time and look at this all, study them and see which one I would be interested in getting. These are all brilliant, beautiful. Just take a look at these guys. Look at this gift. See, everything I got for free from Emma's Diary. Are they not just brilliant? Are they not just generous? This is what every mom to be would definitely need. And there are guides here to read more, discount code, coupons, special offers, you know, because they know you'll be spending a whole lot of money this period, and this is so brilliant. I just want to say thank you very much, Emma's Diary, for all of these free gifts. God bless you. May your company continue to nourish, continue to do what you do. You've been helping pregnant women. You're still doing it. Please do not stop, because this has really been helpful. I am so grateful from the bottom of my heart. I don't know how to thank you. This is not a paid advert or anything. I'm just being grateful to Emma's Diary. They've been doing this for years coming. They are still on it, and they will continue to work strong. That is my prayer for them. They will continue to grow. Please do not stop now. Continue to do what you do, Emma's Diary. We love you. We appreciate you. And your articles on your app is also very brilliant. The update on pregnancy journey is also very brilliant. I can't thank you guys enough. Your special offers, your discount code that you give to mom to be, they're so brilliant, you know. Like, I don't know how to thank you guys. Please do not stop. Do not stop. I love it, and I want other people as well coming behind me who would get pregnant to also enjoy all of this goodness that you have given to me. Thank you very much, and God bless you. I'm going to leave the name of the app in the description box below, and I'll also leave it on the screen. So if you want to download the app, or you know somebody who is pregnant and the person lives in the UK and would benefit from this, share it with them. Tell them to download the app. It's very easy to download, free of charge. You get gifts, you get discounts, you get special offers, you get coupons. I mean, free articles, free videos to update you, especially if this is your first pregnancy journey. You need it. Like, you can't do without it, trust me. And even if it's not your first pregnancy journey, even if it's your second or third, remember, no pregnancy is the same. No pregnancy journey is the same. So you need it. You need it. You need it. No knowledge is wasted. So thank you guys for sticking around with me. I'm going to go now, settle down properly, and see how I can manage and arrange all of this as we expect our baby. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Please remember to subscribe. Subscribe, Kwano. Subscribe. It is free of charge. Free of charge. You're not paying anything. Just subscribe and share this video to family and friends to encourage everyone that yes, you can succeed and be successful even during pregnancy journey. And you have great support, people who are out there to support you, like Ima's Diary, as you can see, to support you all through your pregnancy journey. And by the grace of God, I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye. I love you as usual.